Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit chart on the Google Docs. So here I've already on the a blank document on Google Docs. I'm going to start by inserting the chart first. So go to insert and go to chart and then choose the chart that you want. So here I'm going to go with the pie chart. Click on the chart that you wanted. Okay, so after the chart has been inserted, if you want to edit the chart, you cannot do it directly in the Google Docs. So what you need to do is here, click on this three dots icon at the top of the chart and tap on the open source. So actually the data of the the chart here are extracted from the Google Sheets, the spreadsheet in here. So it will automatically link when you go to the chart. There will be this linked chart options. That means that the chart is linked here between the Google Sheets and also the Google Docs. If you want to edit the data of the chart, you need to do it on the Google Sheets in here. So for example, you want to change the name of the chart, like the item in here, for example, Team Margot, for example, Team Taylor, sorry, Team Kim and Joel. Okay, you can see it will change. So when you go back to the Google Docs, if you want the changes to appear in here, what you need to do is click on this update at the top and it will load, and just like that the changes also will be saved. So the chart is now linked into each other. So that's how you can edit chart on Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.